Hi, this is Kenny from Triscribe. Triscribe offers analytics and AI based on data from NHS hospital systems. And in this short video, I'm going to tell you a little bit about how Triscribe does better use of hospital medicines data. Too often when we go into hospitals today, this is what we see. There's a spaghetti medusa of data out there, and it's somehow connected to the screen that clinicians are looking at, but it's very hard for them to understand exactly what's going on. And in part, that's because there's an inherent richness and complexity to the clinical data that hospitals capture and use. And it's really important that we retain that richness and complexity. So, what Triscribe does is look to provide analytics based on real medicines given to actual patients. In order to do that, we're the only software that extracts that data daily from hospital EPMA systems. And we're also the only software that combines data from multiple EPMA systems so that you can get a whole hospital view. And we're the only software that also extracts data every day from pharmacy stock systems. So you can get a complete understanding of how medicines are being used in your hospital. And a critical part of doing this is to match all of that data to DMD and SNOMED international standards. An independent test recently proved that our algorithm for matching to DMD was better than that of any other competitor. And whilst that's all very clever, it has a purpose, and the purpose is to try and solve the real problems presented to us by real frontline clinicians. As a result, we've recently released our first predictive analytics, building on all the trends and patterns in our existing analytics. And we believe that this way of doing it also provides the best foundation for AI, which will be the future of decision support systems in hospitals. We're able to do this because what Triscribe brings is technology expertise. We have a small team, but the best team of technology developers, and we're committed to doing things the right way. That means we build all of our own software. That's what native means. It's all built from scratch using open source tools. We're not trying to bend and break an expensive package like Crystal Reports or ClickView or Power BI to make it work for what you need. We're building exactly what you need from the start. And everything is automated and in the cloud. It's very light touch. It requires almost no IT resource. It requires no IT support or strain on your IT existing team. There is no equipment, there's no installation, there's no disruptive upgrades. It all just happens. All you do is use the product. And if that sounds all very modern and different, well, it is in some ways, but it is all based on proven modern technology. There's nothing bleeding edge, there's nothing high risk. And that means it's also safe. It deals with all the security and privacy and information governance requirements to make sure that we keep your patient's data safe and share it in an appropriate way. As a result, our analytics are legible, human, and they're beautiful. At least we think so. And thanks for watching. We'd love to talk to you about it more. So please get in touch.